Are you prepared to spend your last days of relaxation on Maui's gorgeous beaches with Tesla? We'll be looking at the fascinating possibilities of the Cybertruck in this video. The possibilities for year-end retirement and the skyrocketing Tesla stock are concealed by the excitement around the introduction of this groundbreaking car. It's possible that Tesla's stock price will hit new all-time highs. For an astute Tesla shareholder holding a few shares, this is the ideal time to cash out and generate reliable passive income. To determine exactly how big of an impact the Cybertruck can make, from the estimated 90,000 Model X and 1.1 million Model Y deliveries to the computation of price averages, we'll delve into the specifics of 2023 and 2024 manufacturing and delivery. All the information you require to stay ahead of the game is in this video. Prepare yourself for an exciting journey around the globe at Tesla stock and see whether the Cybertruck can transport you to Cancun's sandy beaches indefinitely in 2023 exclusively. The Cybertruck might send stock values through the roof. Tesla stock is reset by the Cybertruck. If Tesla mass generates and releases its energy, this bust might reach new heights. SSD will increase Tesla shares, but not to the same extent as the Cybertruck. This futuristic and brash pickup truck is unlike anything you have ever seen. With its bulletproof glass and ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel body, offering an unmatched combination of power, efficiency, and style. With a 500-mile range and a blazing 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.9 seconds, the Tesla Cybertruck is an electric beast that can handle anything the road throws at it. It will turn heads and leave the competition in the dust. So if you're looking for a ride that's as tough and innovative as you can be, this is the best option. These factors are primarily responsible for the Tesla stock's recent ascent to all-time highs. However, if the Cybertruck is manufactured in large quantities, goes on sale, and orders continue to come in, there will probably be a lot of anticipation and demand for the vehicle, which will likely result in higher margins and revenues and keep the stock at record highs. We'll look at deliveries and production in 2023 and 2024 to see if the Cybertruck can send Tesla shares skyrocketing and enable you to retire early. All production figures, delivery percentages, and deliveries have been entered by me, the exception being Cybertrucks, which we will handle together in 2023. In terms of models, I estimate that there will be 1.1 million Model 3s, 700,000 Model X, and 90,000 Model X deliveries in 2023. The Cybertruck is expected to make 5,000 deliveries in 2024, but only 5,000 in 2023. As previously indicated, let's assume a model in which Model X uses, say, 90,000 deliveries and 4,750 semi-deliveries. Now, let's compute their price averages and get the pricing average for Model X after an additional 10 decreases. Although it hasn't happened yet, Tesla will make $8.6 billion in sales if it drops the price of the Model X by another 10%, bringing the average down to 100,000. I carried out the same procedure with Models 3 and Y, cutting their prices by 10, and the average we obtained was 50,000 for Model Y and 45% for Model 3. By the way, the Model 3 will be worth less than $40,000 before the 7,500 EV credits if Tesla reduces the Model 3 more, let's say. It will cost approximately $39,000. If so, the Model 3 alone generates nearly $30 billion in revenue for us. Let us now discuss cyber vehicles. Cyber vehicles won't be built in large quantities until 2025 to 2027. However, 3,000 Cybertrucks in 2023 seems reasonable. 3000, I would be happy to see manufacturing in 2023 because the prototype is simple, but production will be difficult because of the enormous demand. Pre-orders for 1.6 million Cybertrucks, I ordered 98 delivery rates, which would provide us with 2940 Cybertrucks in 2023. According to some reports, the average selling price is $55,000 or more, which is quite a bit of money. It's crazy that some of you are claiming 60,000 while others have been claiming as much as 80,000. Since Tesla couldn't fulfill the overwhelming demand for the Model 3 and Model Y due to factory shutdowns, I believe the most realistic estimate is probably $55,000, to be conservative. The total revenue received for the first year of the Cybertruck was almost $162 million, which is pretty good for the margins. But I do believe that at least 20%, most likely in the 25 to 30, but keeping things conservative, 20 into 55000 rate just to be cautious. Have a look at these figures, even though I have a hunch it will be much more. The total number of vehicles produced is 1.9 million, with 1.8 million delivered overall. The average selling price is $51,000. These prices include an additional 10% price reduction for every item, with the exception of semis and Cybertrucks. But that won't really affect anything because the majority of the reduction will be made for the 2023 Model 3s and models, which is where the majority of the impact will be felt. Total revenue in 2023 is expected to exceed $92.5 billion, and an operating margin of 12.2% would result in a total net income of nearly $11.3 billion. Everyone in the auto sector will report a loss for 2023, while Tesla will report net profitability of $11 billion. After figuring out 2024 production and delivery, we'll look at the 2023 Tesla stock price. In this context, it is anticipated that 1 million Model 3s and 120,000 Model S and Model X units will be supplied. All of these predictions are most definitely realistic and could result in significantly lower average prices by 2024. Obviously not due to cost, but rather due to economies of scale. This implies that Tesla can lower the price of the S or maintain the same price because it costs less to produce these cars. 2023 by 2024, Tesla hopes to create 1,000 Cybertrucks a week, which is absurd but doable given their extensive experience and understanding of the necessity of producing this vehicle in large quantities. With 22 margins, it is possible to produce 50,000 units annually by 2024, which would bring Tesla's revenue from $32 million in 2023 to over $600 million in 2024, a 20-fold gain or nearly so, if we only consider the increase in Cybertruck sales between 2023 and 2024. The Semi will help even more on a mass scale than any other truck, and with sales of over $132 billion and operating margins of over 15%, it will raise Tesla's total average selling price. With these gains, the company's net income would nearly double from 2023 to $20 billion. The impact on Tesla's overall revenue and net income in 2024 will be significant. What does this mean for the stock prices in 2023 and 2024? And more importantly, what does it mean for retirement? Energy alone in 2023 will generate a 15 margin. If they generate $7.5 billion in revenue, that's over $1 billion in profits from energy alone. Over the previous 3 quarters, Tesla's energy operating margin has consistently averaged 10 to 12%. Since energy is scarce, and I believe Tesla Energy will surprise everyone in 2023, I'm estimating that it was 12% in the final quarter of Q4 and 15% in 2023. After we get the whole picture in 2023, I believe we are emerging from this recession, which was most likely caused by the Fed, who would have changed course. By 2024, everyone will be enjoying a bull market. Since the Cybertruck is the next big thing in terms of market share and money, it alone can take us to the moon or beyond. This is the next step to boost Tesla for the next 3 to 4 years. Of course, when you sit down and look at Tesla's master plan, you can sell the F-City to them too. Of the 25,000 cars that are ahead, the Cybertruck is the most popular. Because of the hoopla surrounding the Cybertruck, it's a vast, clever, and profitable machine. In 2024, a high 60p will probably yield $1.5 trillion and 461 USD per share. Now, let's calculate. Assume for the purposes of this analysis that an investor has to accumulate $1.7 million after selling certain stocks and investing the proceeds in passive indices such as the S&P 500, which has an average annual return of 8%. In order to retire comfortably in the Bahamas in 2024, 3687 shares will be required if the price per share increases to $461 due to the Cybertruck. That's it then. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you like the video. I'll see you in the next one.